Welcome to Totally Toyriffic, lesson number 5. We are going to continue building the nerve tester. The nerve tester, again, is a game similar to Operation, in which you test your steady hand by using this wand and making it travel through the loops. If you touch the wire, then the buzzer sounds. In the prior activity, we completed the base of the nerve tester, which included the circuit. And here it is. To complete the nerve tester, you're also going to be supplied with 2 dowels to insert into the holes in the wooden block, which will be pre-drilled for you. You will also need a couple of wires, a copper wire, and either a steel alloy wire, or you may be packed with more copper wire. An alligator clip, some electrical tape, pair of scissors, and then a cable with 2 alligator clips at the end. The first thing we're going to show how to do is build the wand. You will need your copper wire and some electrical tape. The way you build this wand is you loop one end around, like so. The other end, you loop around, but you don't close it. You leave it open, like that. Next, you're going to want to take some electrical tape and wrap it around the entire length of the wand, because that is where you're going to hold it, so that at the end, you're left with a wand that looks like this. The second step is going to build the wire loops for your game. For that purpose, you're going to need 2 dowels and a wire. This is an alloy wire, but you might also be packed with copper. The way that you start is you attach the wire to the entire length of one dowel, leaving some of the wire exposed, and wrap an electrical tape all around it so that it looks like this. Next, you take the remainder of the wire, okay, and you loop it around up and down as you please. The more loops and turns it has, the more challenging the game will be. The opposite end you will attach to the remaining dowel. Again, all wrapped with electrical tape. This is what the end product will look like. Now, to put it all together, take the base that has your circuit and take the dowels and put them in the holes, in the pre-drilled holes as such. Using the alligator clip, go ahead and connect the wire, the black or blue, depending on your battery pack, from the battery pack, connected to the exposed wire on this side. Now make sure you got a good clip here and a good connection. The next thing you're going to do is attach the black wire from the buzzer to your wand. And the way you do that is you take the cable, you clip it to one end, then you take the other end and you clip it to the closed loop of your wand. Okay. Make sure to test that it does work before you proceed. This indicates that we do have a closed circuit and that the electricity can flow through. Some of the things that may go wrong if you don't hear the buzzer sound when you touch the wire could be that any one of your connections is not correct. You want to make sure metal is touching metal in every one of the connections. You also want to make sure that the batteries are placed correctly and that the wires out of your battery pack are also correct. That the red one is coming out of the positive terminal and that the black or blue one is coming out of the negative terminal. And now you are ready to play your game. Now, when you're ready for a new challenge, all you have to do is reconfigure, reshape your loops, and you have a totally new game.